Welcome to RealSatisfied. Today, we'll show you how to use your review button on your profile page. Head into the Settings section of your agent dashboard. Scroll to the Display Right Review section. This is where you control whether or not to collect reviews from visitors to your RealSatisfied profile page. When the toggle is on, the review button will appear, and when the toggle is off, it will be hidden. In order to turn on the Display Right Review toggle, you must be displaying your ratings or testimonials on your profile page. This is what your profile page will look like with the review button. When a visitor clicks the button, a review pop-up will open. Reviews added through this pop-up must be approved in the Testimonials section of your dashboard before being publicly displayed. In addition to the review button, in the Testimonials section of your agent dashboard, you can access your custom review URL, which you can send to your clients via email, text, or add to your email signature. This review URL automatically opens the review pop-up on your profile page. Happy selling!